It's the day of the week na naman kaya simulan na natin ang eGames Was Up. Unahin natin ang Run Online. Don't forget the summer events na inihanda ng Run PHT. Magkakaroon ng X3 EXP at BTG sa mga ganitong oras. Tapos ang X4 EXP at BTG naman ay magsisimula after ng maintenance ng Friday at matatapos ito bago mag Monday maintenance. At heto naman ang King of the Hill matchup sa bawat server. Ang King of the Hill ay ginaganap tuwing Saturday at sa mga oras na ito. Magpunta sa Run website para sa complete details. Tapos heto nga pala ang interview namin sa Yakuza B Guild.
Sa mga tropa na rin, dahil maganda nga yung larong Run Online. Sa dinami-dami na online game, talagang the best yung Run Online.
Ayun, masaya kasi yan lang yung online game na may party talagang kailangan sama-sama kayo, tulong-tulong para mag-level up. Yun, marami kang makikilalang friends na okay naman.
Actually, kaya ako gustong Run Online kasi ang ganda nung ano niya, yung concept niya. Kumbaga, school naglalaban tapos every Wednesday and Saturday may club wars. Saka mga babae na rin.
Magpunta sa Run Online website sa Lunes para mapanood ang kompletong interview. Sa Kabalo Online naman tayo. Extended up to May 12 ang Easter NPC events at ang sale ng Enchant Safeguard Kits. And here's the first dibs sa upcoming patch. At tulad ng sinabi namin last week, kailan lang ay bumisita ang Cabal developers here in Manila. At syempre, na-interview namin sila.
My name is Kevin Chang. I'm the director for Global Division in the Esoft Corporation. Yes, actually we are very excited and we're planning a lot to bring to users. There have been mission wars as well as new dungeons in the past, but what we want to focus is actually the revolution of action. We're trying to make most effort to create the atmosphere that users can actually enjoy. Which is the best part of the Cabal, the action, also the community. So what we want to do is combine them together and to create an environment where all the users can enjoy all the content. We plan to bring a new method of the mission war. So actually,
Let's burn the dance floor naman sa Audition Dance Battle. Summer is in full blast and the same goes sa mga in-game events ng Audition. May B-Boy Showdown with the GMs. Tapos may Summer Random Dance Revival Showdown. And the challenging Weekend Summer Relay. Pumunta lang sa website ng Audition Dance Battle para sa kompletong detalye. Rak-raka naman tayo sa Bandmaster. Patuloy pa rin ang Palmolive Cool Dude Summer Event. Join the exciting in-game activities para manalo ng cool and limited edition in-game events. Check out the Bandmaster PH website for the Palmolive Cool Dude Summer schedule. And that's it mga makulit. Tune in again next week sa eGames Was Up. Pero bago natin tapusin ang week na to, sit back, relax, and watch this.